Do you want to know how you can make up to $10,000 a month just by using Pinterest? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Hi there, my name is Shruti, and if you're new on this channel, I share my tips on how to grow your audience and income online. Now, one of the most interesting things that have come up in the creator scene recently is called creator rewards, which is essentially Pinterest rewarding creators for making idea pins, previously known as story pins, which are basically short form video content in the format that you're already familiar with if you have seen content on TikTok or if you have seen content on Instagram Reels. Using the creator rewards, Noe knows on Pinterest has been making thousands of dollars every single month ever since she started with the creator rewards program. And as you can see, when you scroll down and see in the created section all of her idea pins, they are basically videos, tutorials, outfit try-ons and so on and so forth, where she essentially takes the TikTok that she has, because you can figure that out from the text that she's using. It's definitely TikTok. She removes the watermark down here, and you can use an app called snaptic.app in order to remove the watermark from your videos, whether they are taken from TikTok or from Instagram Reels. And then she repurposes them and posts them in order to be eligible for creator rewards. So this is a great way for you to kind of take your content from different platforms and cross repurpose it on Pinterest and apply for creator rewards. So you're essentially not even doing anything extra. You're just using your existing content, repurposing that as idea pins on Pinterest and making money off of it. What differentiates Pinterest creator rewards from any of the other platforms out there, such as TikTok or Instagram, is that the goals and the income is actually achievable and is already being done by many creators out there. Now, whereas on TikTok or on Instagram, you need an obscene amount of views and followers in order to be able to monetize and make money on the platforms or make any decent money at all. On Pinterest, that is not the case. All you need is to be eligible for creator rewards, and if you are, you can get started today and start making money in the next couple of weeks. I want to share with you some of the examples of creator rewards and exactly how you could be making money. So these are rewards that I've picked up from July. So for example, you could get $50 for one inspiring idea pin. You can get $250 for creating one idea pin each week. That means you can make $1,000 on Pinterest for this month if you just create 4 idea pins, one every week. Not only this, they also have rewards specifically for engagement. So for example, $45 for each idea pin that reaches 10 saves, plus $2 for every save earned after 10 saves. So you basically make a kind of aggregate income depending on how many saves your idea pin gets. You can get $200 for each idea pin that receives 100 saves, $400 for each idea pin that receives 200 saves, and $500 for reaching 250 saves. So on average, you could easily this month, even as a complete beginner, make $2,000 just from creating idea pins and getting people to save and like and engage with them. Now, when you compare this with other creator funds, the numbers just don't add up. On Pinterest, it's actually really, really doable and realistic. So if you have a Pinterest creator account, you should get started on this ASAP. Now, there are a couple of things that you do need in order to be eligible for creator rewards, and those are the following. Number one, you have to be a resident of the US. Unfortunately, right now, this program is only open to residents of the US, but I'm hoping that this is going to come to many other countries as well. And I'm pretty sure it will, because usually Pinterest starts out with testing new things in one country and then rolls them out to other countries soon after. You need to be 18 years and older. You need to be using Pinterest on your phone. So you're not eligible for creator rewards on your desktop, but you have to log in from your mobile phone in order to be able to see them and access them. Not only this, you need to have at least 250 followers on your account. You need to have published at least 3 idea pins in the last 30 days. And you should have at least 150 saves of your content on Pinterest. Not to mention, obviously, your content needs to be original. You can't be copy pasting or ripping off some other creator and, making money off of that. You do need to create your own content, and that is how you're going to be eligible for creator rewards. Now, maybe you're wondering, how do I find out if I'm eligible for creator rewards or not? How do I check this? So let me walk you through it step by step. All you have to do is to head to your Pinterest phone app, go to your profile, click on Creator Hub, and once you click, there's going to be a tab called Earn. You're going to have the access to that tab if you are eligible for creator rewards, and when you click on it, you can see all of the different rewards that are in promotion right now and that are published for the month. So how this works is that every single month Pinterest has different criterias and different awards, and this starts from ranging from creating idea pins to the number of saves you get to specific type of content. Once you have figured out if you're eligible and you are meeting all the other criterias, specifically the fact that you are based in the US, the next step is to link your US bank account to your Pinterest account, and once you've done that, you are all set. Now, every single month, Pinterest puts in new rewards, so you do need to keep checking in specifically at the beginning of the month to see exactly what rewards are coming up. But this is actually one of the best ways for you to monetize your content, which might already be content that you've created elsewhere, but you can repost that on Pinterest and start making money today. Okay, so once you have created the idea pin that you would like to submit for the awards, there's one more step involved before you can actually get the payout. Here's where you're going to submit your pin for approval. This means that you're going to send the pin over to the Pinterest team so that they can actually check if your pin meets all of the eligibility criteria and is actually eligible for that award. Now, obviously, this can really vary from month to month, so it totally depends on what the goals and what the awards are for the month. But rest assured, if your pin meets the criteria and you're approved, then you will be eligible for payment in the next month cycle. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you found it useful. If you want to learn more about the types of idea pins that you can create and exactly what idea pins are, I would recommend you to check out the video that I'm going to link on this page, as well as in the description box below, to learn what are the different types of idea pins that you can create and how you can make sure that you're creating the most engaging ones. As always, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.